Okay, question 2 says solve the following systems of equations algebraically for all values of x and y. The point to this video is to discuss the fact that even though this says to solve it algebraically, if you solve it using a different method, like I'm gonna show you how to solve it graphically, you can still get half credit. Okay, so we're not going to get full credit here, but we're at least going to get some credit. When you solve a system graphically, you have to find where do the graphs intersect? Where do they touch? Okay, so we notice our first equation's ready to go. It's already in y equals form. But our second one, it doesn't have y by itself. All right, so this first one here, we have to solve for y. Our first step is to move the x term over to the other side. Since the x is a positive x, if we want it to cancel out here, we need to subtract x. Don't lose that negative sign with the y, and bring down the 5 minus x. Okay, and now hopefully you remember that's an invisible 1 there. We don't want negative 1y. We need to have just y. Okay, so we are going to divide both sides, whoopsie, by negative 1. Just forgot the negative there. Okay, it's okay if you want to divide both terms, or you can just leave that as a fraction. All right, we are able to put fractions into our y equals. Okay, so let's get out our calculator. Move it to this side here, turn it on, clear out the last ones. Now, x squared plus 5x minus 17, enter. And then in y2, we're going to do a fraction. We're going to press alpha, y equals, enter. And 5 minus x goes on the top, negative 1 on the bottom. Okay, let's just press graph, take a quick look. There we go. Now, I do realize that there's a little bit cut off, but we can see here one solution right here. And maybe you can make a prediction about what's going to happen right over here. Just in case, for those of you who may want to see it, I'm going to zoom out once. It does mess the window up a little, but now we can clearly see there are two solutions to this system. And I'm going to bring that over here. 1, 2. And if we want to get those actual points, we're going to go to the table and we're going to look for where we see y1 and y2 have the same value. All right, at a quick glance, I see the 2 here. y1 and y2 are both -3. Don't see the other one quite yet, so I'm going to go up a little bit. Oh, lucky me, I only had to go up once. Okay, so you know you have a solution when the two y values are exactly the same. Okay, so our two solutions are -6, -11, and 2, -3.